Hey, it's Matthew, and let's open up some Hot Wheels 2020 Encase cars. So the first car is a McLaren P1, number 149. The 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, number 225. '19 Corvette ZR1 convertible, number 144. McLaren Speedtail, 227. Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon, 146. '96 Chevrolet Impala SS, 232. McLaren Senna, 233. '2020 Koenigsegg Jesko, 228. '18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, 234. My favorite car out of all of these is the Koenigsegg Jesko, but I really wish they put different wheels on and then the color would be white. So the giveaway winner for the 2020 N case is Tim B. So congratulations, Tim. You have 2 weeks to either email me or DM me on Instagram. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of these 2020 N case cars.